aosu's new camera can do this, this, and this, all while being completely wireless, and yes, solar powered. This is the brand new solar light camera by aosu, and yes, it looks weirdly similar to Eufy's model, running at almost the exact same price. So today we're going to switch things up a little bit. Not only are we going to review aosu's solar light camera, but we're also going to do a bunch of comparison tests to Eufy's and see which one brings better value. With Eufy's being almost 2 years older, I'm expecting a lot more out of this one. There's only one thing left we have to find out. Is this good or bad tech? I make weekly videos helping consumers like you pick through the bloated tech market and find products that really work for you. If you enjoyed this video and you want to help me out just a little bit, hit the subscribe button right down below. aosu's latest device is a 3K resolution camera with a built-in 400 lumen light and this huge built-in solar panel, which makes it so the device only takes around 1.5 hours of charging to last throughout the whole day. Now, like all aosu cameras I've reviewed, they do come with a bunch of built-in AI features. These have honestly been hit or miss with me, but either way, they're a great addition, and I'm going to kind of recap them a little bit at the end of the video. But honestly, the best part of this camera is the ability to install it anywhere around your home. It has super far Wi-Fi reach. It's obviously completely wireless, and this means I can now put a camera and a light at the back of my yard with zero to no effort, literally like a 2-minute setup. Speaking of setup, this is as easy as it comes. Literally just take the wall mount, 3 screws into anywhere that you can put it. It has this little tab at the bottom here, which you can press and lift, making it, oh, gross, a spider, easily able to pop on and off at any point. The only real thing you do have to keep in mind is if you put it over top of an eavesdrop, it needs direct sunlight. So if that does happen and that's a location you really want it, you can easily run an exterior solar panel and connect it right to the device, giving it an extra charging option. So this is a 3K camera with Ultra HD resolution, and it really shows. In daytime, you get this super clear video with ultra vivid colors, regardless of what kind of weather it is. And because of the IP65 waterproofing, rain, snow, it really doesn't matter. You don't have to touch it. You don't have to remove it. You don't have to protect it. The night vision is full color, or you can take advantage of the spotlight and also get a little bit more brighter of an option. It's motion activated, so you don't have to worry about anybody sneaking by it. I'm just gonna put up a little bit of the night vision footage so you can get a better idea of what it looks like and just how clear it is. But this is where I wanna do the first test against Eufy. How does the video resolution stack up? aosu offers 3K resolution, where Eufy is only 2K. That's a pretty noticeable difference. And here's a little side-by-side. Both cameras, it's the same time, same lighting, and max resolution on both. Now, for some people, you're not going to notice a huge difference, but there definitely is a bit of a noticeable change. For me anyways, I can definitely tell the difference in both the clarity and the color, with aosu standing out just a little bit more. And that's not just during the day. I think the night vision's a little clearer as well, and that 3K resolution definitely makes a difference. Now, probably one of the biggest reasons you chose this camera over a different model is the fact it has a super bright motion light. You want to be able to illuminate your backyard for either critters, yourself, or for intruders. For aosu's camera, the brightness is completely adjustable, and the motion sensor light can be set to 1, 3, or 10 minutes. So depending on how long you want it to stay on after it's activated, this is obviously going to greatly affect your battery life and battery capabilities. So just keep that in mind. I usually like mine around 1 to 3 minutes. I personally love having a light this bright because before this, my only option was my floodlight. And the other cameras, yes, they have spotlights, but they are nothing like this in terms of capabilities. So it saves you running new wires throughout your house if you do want to put in an extra floodlight. Now, time for comparison number 2. Eufy's light offers 300 lumens, where aosu has increased that 25% to 400. This is a sizable difference when you're trying to illuminate a whole backyard, or at least a portion of it. Now take a look at this brightness footage. I have everything off in my yard. It's pitch dark. So here first is the Eufy camera. Okay, you can check it out, nice bright light. It still illuminates a lot. Now, this is aosu's camera with that super bright light. It's a little bit farther in my backyard, but yes, it's a noticeable difference with both how far the light expands and just how bright it is. And yeah, that is a second win for aosu. So being this is a completely wireless solar camera, battery size and charging capabilities is a big one with these. If it can't survive a Canadian winter, I don't want it. I can't use it. It's useless to me. We get minus 40 Celsius, whatever that is for you Americans. And with Eufy's, frankly, I've had no problems with it, and the battery size is only 5,200 mAh. And because of its location, I did have to run an external solar panel, so I won't really be able to compare the solar charging amounts for this video. Now, aosu has totally upped their game, raising this all the way to 9200 mAh, almost double the size of Eufy's model. On top of that, just looking at the built-in solar panel, it's at least a little bit larger, giving it more charging capabilities. Apparently, Eufy's takes 2 hours of daylight to charge, where aosu's is only 1.5 hours. Yes, that's another win for aosu. 3 for 3, actually. Now, as for security and AI features, aosu has everything from fence detection to parking detection to just tracking people when they come in your yard. And I have tested a number of these features in other videos, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of them right down below in the description. So if you wanna check them out, you can forward to the AI section. And the only one I've ever had any issues with is the fence protection. For whatever reason, I can just never get it to work. I believe it does work. I just haven't been able to. Now, there is no doubt in my mind, this is a major upgrade from Eufy's solar wall light. Although theirs is 2 years older, this one pretty much takes everything and just upgrades it. And on the question whether this is good or bad tech, so obviously this is good tech, and I'm gonna give it a rating of an 8.5 out of 10. It's affordable. It has great features, it's wireless, it's solar charging. And on top of that, when you combine it with aosu's other super affordable solar products, I keep saying this, it's the best affordable solar camera kits on the market right now. Price-wise, it's regular $129 on Amazon, but constantly on sale right now as little as $89.99 as I'm filming this video. And I've included the link plus any discount code that aosu gives me right down below in the description. Final thoughts is if you can't afford one of the super high price systems like Eufy, it's a premium product. Eufy's products are very well constructed, and I would say typically have a better build than aosu. But aosu's like almost literally half the price for some of their kits and still work just as well. So I'll continue to review their products. Again, my channel is all about being truthful, so if I find any I don't like, trust me, you guys will know. See you in the next one.